Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much. This is absolutely sassy and, of course, beautiful. You find Chic styles for pixel bob haircuts trending. You'll see about 60 plus cute short pixel haircuts for a feminine and practical look. Yes, really lovely and amazing styles right here when it comes to short hair styling. Really beautiful and unique styles right here to give you a wonderful look at the end of trying it. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to get ideas like this. You also find beautiful hair color inspiration and ideas, lovely and amazing pixel style haircuts, beautiful bob style haircuts to inspire that unique look. We of course want you to have that standout look anytime you come on board watching our videos. Do not forget to subscribe, share the video with loved ones and friends. Keep coming back for more. We do really hope you check up on our previously uploaded videos where we have tons of amazing hairstyle and haircut ideas to give you that wow look. Again, you will only find the very best ideas when it comes to your short hairstyling right here on Trendy Short Hairstyles Lookbook. Beautiful and amazing hair colors, beautiful spiky style pixel haircuts, lovely and amazing side swept pixel style haircuts, beautiful and amazing pixel style haircuts with bangs, and of course beautiful and amazing looking short hairstyles all through. Hairstyles and haircuts for thin as well as thick hair type. Lovely and amazing ways to have that standout look. We do want you to subscribe to this channel, leave us a like and share the video with loved ones and friends. Keep coming back for more as we present you beautiful and amazing videos to inspire that beautiful and amazing look on you. So share the video with loved ones and friends. Keep coming back for more. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye.